How can you maximize access to Intertek's global network of technical expertise, irrespective of location? Intertek's video-enabled technology can be executed remotely in circumstances where travel may be restricted or impractical. Remote video inspections provide business continuity to keep your project on schedule while also ensuring equipment safety and quality. Using this secure cloud-based collaboration solution at vendor sites provides high-quality video even at low bandwidth. Our inspector can ask questions in real time and request specific camera angles and close-ups. Visually guided interactive sessions allow customers, partners, and other resources to interact with the technical specialist while viewing the inspection. This flexible technology gives you the ability to have virtual conferencing for up to 10 people and includes enhanced inspection features. A remote video inspection puts an Intertek inspector on site to mitigate risk when an in-person inspection is not possible. Increased efficiency. Decisions accelerated. Greater visibility.